Ever felt like your hard work on a small account just isn't pay off? I've explored different strategies but haven't seen the results, so this video for you. I introduced the method that changed everything for me and can shift your direction too. Let's go with that, guys. Come on. A fantastic surprise waits you, guys. Keep on watching to the end and prepare to be amazed. Alright? Today we're gonna use only these chart types candles, okay? 36 on time frame. That's the fast strategy. And we're gonna use Keltner Channel, 2 moving average lines, and stochastic oscillator. So for that configuration, 20, 10, and 2. Alright, that's simple. For that colors, that's up to you if you want to use that. Unselect the middle line. We got one moving average with 10 and another one with 8. Okay, look at that. That is we're gonna use. For that, stochastic 1433 and that color. Alright. So at subsection, I'm going to use this one, guys, and let's start with that. We're gonna use $11 and 1 minute on the expiration time. I hope you are getting it right. Let's start with that. So guys, we're here looking out for the buying opportunity as right now. It's particular level. First thing you see right with rejection of the candlestick, oversight condition. And so far you can see the candlesticks are pretty much going well. So right here, we'll just get this on that. Okay. You can see that moving average intersection. In the stochastic oscillator, we got the same thing, it's just pointing to up. Okay. So that's another confirmation. We got 2 of that. We got the moving average, we got the stochastic oscillator, and that's period. Okay. You can see right here we have this candle just going up. That's pretty good. Okay. And if you do this, I promise you guys, we're going to make a very good and consistent amount of money right in the markets. So right here you can see the markets actually going straight toward direction movements adapt on. Okay. And we're going to be making very good money. We got 3 seconds for that. And look at this, guys. We got our first profit on that, $21. So this is actually a very good win for us on this trade. It's important to remember that is just one strategy that could revolutionize your journey in the market. To reach a professional level, mastering the most profitable strategies is a must. But don't stress. I've prepared 2 exclusive research for you. So there right here, we are looking out for a sell opportunity. We got this right here. We just making that. So the first thing we put in consideration the rejection of the candle, right from the overbought condition, just when it hits the resistance line on that. We got the moving average intersection on that. We got the stochastic oscillator that's showing for us. It's the same thing with the on that. Okay, look at this. Hey, do you want to join a group where shares signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. That's a good confirmation for us as a trigger, guys. Trade towards a down direction. There are we need to put into consideration and time we really want to take a trade. Okay, so right here, right now, we got this. Look at the candles, guys, just moving down very, very strongly. Okay, that's that you wanted to see that. So don't forget about this. Moving average intersection stochastic. Okay, you can see right here, guys, we're actually very good profit on that, $4. Okay, this is very powerful strategy. So guys, I want to implement this in your demo account for a couple of days. When you're able to find a good confidence with this strategy that you can go straight to your live account and make a very good money. Let's start with that. All right, you got another opportunity right here on sell button again at this particular level. So we should enter position right here at right now, guys, as you can see that. Basic things we saw right here that's giving us very good confidence to enter this trade is pretty much simple. First things, protection of the candle from the oversight on that. We could see here the candlestick have been rejected, okay, this particular point and give a direction movement on this market's downside direction. What you saw here at 2 moving average, just intersection that's good confirmation for the downtrend on that. And we got the Stochastic oscillator, overshooting condition authority, that's so one. As I said initially, whenever the candlestick has gone to overbought condition and oversold condition before intersect 2 moving lines, please do not take a trade. Just wait for that. Okay? Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. And look at that. 5 seconds for us to get this one. Sure, you can see right here, guys. Right now, we make another one. Oh yeah, $76, guys. $77 in that total. I believe this video is much more clear for you. And I want you guys to try it out and let me know in the comment sections what your experience in using this strategy. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Okay, I'll be right waiting for that comment, guys. Feedback with this strategy. Please, just do it. Okay, if you are here to subscribe to the channel, give a like button on that, subscribe to the channel, hit the confirmation bell so miss for any videos. Not only that, guys, you find this video helpful, do ensure to give us a like button, share this video for a loved one, and you can always enjoy on this. Guys, see you around, have good operations, and let's act right now. I wish you good operations, good session, good profits, and see you on my YouTube channel on Telegram Lives. Have a good day.